This is an Encore Azalea that I've had to nurture, but I wonder about the split bark. Is this okay? Also, I have split bark on a tree near these azaleas. Thank you, and this is from Elizabeth. Good picture there. So what do we think when we see split bark?
Well, it could be something that it was caused by the environment, by, in the winter, it was cold, the sun was on it, it's a thin bark, and it may have split, and then it's caused all that. The problem is, I know she's nurtured it, but there are no nutrients going up and down the length of that section that's then split for the plant to have food and water. All that's gone. I mean, it looks fairly healthy otherwise. I mean, maybe she could cut it. I mean, it looks like it needs a little bit more. It could get maybe some more light. Does it bloom? I wonder if it blooms.
Right, yeah, that would be something good to know.
Yeah, because if it's not blooming and she's trying to nurture it, then maybe it needs a little more light in that particular area.
Yeah, so I'll just say keep it as comfortable as possible.
Yeah.
See, what happens. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.